Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can apply coupon on Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Amazon shopping app on your phone. As soon as I've done that, this is how the interface is gonna look like. Now from over here, go ahead, tap on this option of cart at the bottom. Here you will be able to find the products that are on the cart and where you would like to apply the coupon. If you don't want to do that to them, then you can go ahead, search up the product that you would like to add on your cart. Tap on C option for the product, tap on see all buying option, tap on add to cart, and now you're going to go back and go to your cart. Now you will find the products that are over here and tap on proceed to checkout. Now for you to apply a coupon or any kind of cards, you have to go to the checkout, tap on deliver to the address, confirm your address, and then tap on continue. You can see you will have the option of paying with Amazon card or the Affirm on top, and if you want a new card, tap on add new. But for you to pay with the coupon, tap on this little icon. Now simply add in the coupon code that you have received, tap on continue. You will be paid with the coupon. So that's how you can use it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.